Okay, let's continue. Here, we're going to combine these two equations. We're basically going to add these. That's 0. That's y plus 7z equals negative 23 plus 4, which will give you that 17. Excuse me. That is negative. Excuse me. That's negative 19. Alright, now I have one equation with two variables. Now I want to do the same thing with these two. I want to multiply this by negative 2 so I can add them together and cancel. I'm just going to multiply this right below it. So that'd be negative 2x minus 2 times 3, which is negative 6y, and negative 2z equals negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. Add those. That'll give you, I'm going to write them over here, negative y. Add those. Negative 6z equals, is that 16? Great. Now I have two equations, two unknowns. This is easy. Notice it's already set up for elimination. Perfect. Add those. That's 0. If not, you could have used substitution here. Add this. That's going to be z equals negative 3. Now, once you find one, the rest are easy. Take z, plug it back into, let's use this one. Y plus 7 times negative 3 equals negative 19. So that's y minus 21 equals negative 19. Add 21 on both sides. Y is equal to 2. Take z and y, plug it back in, either one of these three. Let's plug in this top one. X plus 2 times y minus so forth so on. Your x value, the final answer for this particular problem, should be 1. So your ordered pair is 1, 2, and negative 3. And we know how to plot it now if we want to go and plot this particular point. Okay, here we have a systems of inequality problem to graph. To graph this, you're basically going to graph both of these on the same xy plane, and wherever you shade both sections, that's the solution. Let's graph x is greater than or equal to 5 first. Go to 5, x equals 5, and graph the line x equals 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to draw a solid line. Okay, there's our solid line for x equals 5. Well, since it says x is greater than or equal to 5, we would shade everything to the right. But let's not shade yet. We're going to shade at the end. If not, it'll get very messy. Here, we got y is less than or just less than negative 2x minus 3. So to graph this, let's use our y equals mx plus b. I'm going to go down 3. 1, 2, 3. Put a dot. Oh, before I do that, let me change over. I'm going to go down 3. Again, put a dot. Slope of negative 2, which means I go down 2 over 1. Put another dot here. Draw a line as straight as possible. Okay, that's pretty good. Let me extend this line a little bit. Okay. Here, this says y is less than this equation, so that means you would shade everything below. Let's visualize it. Everything below here, and this one, everything to the right or equal to, and you're going to shade this and down. So what part am I going to shade where they intercept? They intercept right here. And something that you have to note here, this should be a dotted line, and that's my mistake. So watch this. I'm going to get my eraser. Won't look right, but this is a dotted line. Okay, that's bad. That's very bad. But I don't want to do this video again. So here we go. That's the solution for this particular inequality.